Looking on Google Earth, I found a group of 4 majestic volcanoes. Locals told me of an ancient, sacred place, towering high above volcanic lagoons, where ancient civilizations could observe these mysterious places that they believed housed supernatural beings. I'm going in to have a look, and you, well, buckle up, you're coming along. Welcome to SWELLER'S and WELLER'S. So, the receptionist at the hostel just warned me that tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. there is going to be a volcano emergency alarm throughout the entire town of Busan. She said, don't be alarmed, it's only a practice. I'm pretty sure this dude's gonna have fun rafting, but I don't think he really likes the helmet. So remember the natural water slide from a couple days ago? Well, I was telling the canyoneering guide that I went there, and he said he actually does guided trips up there, and he starts actually quite a bit farther upstream than we were, and there's a nice canyon to explore for about an hour. But he said since I was alone, without a helmet, I made the right choice by not sliding down there, because they had videos of all kinds of people going down in wetsuits with helmets, and it looks pretty extreme. I'm glad I've got some experience canyoneering, because that makes me not stupid. For a sunny Sunday morning, I thought it would be bustling around here in Busan, but it's just me and the birds. It's going to be a big day. Let's get to it. And there is our bus to El Caney. Well, the bus dropped us off at the entrance. The rest is up to us now. El Caney reception. Full of very friendly people. Oh, there's one. Peeking around the corner.
Welcome to El Caney.
Wonderful. I'm excited. Let's go. We got about 25 minutes to walk down this dirt road to get to the actual trail. We got a branch in the road. Hang a right. All right, we are at the official entrance to the park. Here's the control point. Hola! Well, I'm going to warn you. It starts off going uphill once you go through the control point, and it does not stop. It is relentless. Ah, good thing for the tree cover on this first part, because it's going to be a hot day. I can already feel the heat, and with this climbing, we're going to need to stay cool as best we can. A glorious day here in Busan. We are going to do the full meal deal in El Caney. What that means is we're going to go to the lakes and then up to the Mirador. This is going to be about 18 kilometers round trip and over 1,200 meters elevation gain. That's 1.2 kilometers. Straight up, my friends. After about 300 meters elevation gain and 45 minutes on the trail, we pop out to our first viewpoint. Whoa, can you hear that bird? Crazy. I don't know what it is. After an hour of hard uphill going, we've made it to the gate. Let's push on. Well, we polished off about a third of the elevation so far. Let's stop and take a break and have some water. And maybe a granola bar. I'm getting hungry already. Look at this, I found a little nest on the road that must have fallen from the trees above. Holy shit, is that a tarantula? After an hour and a half, it's starting to open up a bit. We're getting some views. It's just gonna get better. Whoa, watch out for the poop. Along the way, there's a few places to fill up with water. You don't get any more natural than this. This is crystal clear, my friends. After 650 meters, we've reached the Refugio. This is where we leave the road for Sanctuario El Caney. Goodbye, road. I've had enough. We got some time. Let's check out the Refugio. Let's go inside. Old wooden stove. Grill. Table. Oh, this is a double-decker. It's got stairs going up to a sleeping platform. Big fire in the middle. And more tables, maybe sleeping pads around the edge. Cool. Old kettle. Look at this cool hollowed out log. I should crawl through it. I'm not going to crawl through it. There's several turnstiles along the way that seemingly serve no purpose. I feel like I'm entering a grocery store. Watch your step crossing these bridges. There might be a few planks missing. There are some big trees up here. This is a real parade of nature across the trail. We found tarantulas, beetles, lizards. What's next? After a couple of hours of hard walking, we've reached our first laguna, Laguna Torres. So I was going to put my poles down on this log so I could get a drink of water, and I laid my poles down, and on the other side of the log is a tarantula, right where I put my hands. I kind of jumped, and the tarantula kind of jumped. We were both surprised. All right, my friends, we've arrived at the right altitude for the monkey puzzle trees. These are eukaryias and are a genus of evergreen coniferous trees. The leaves are thick, tough, and scale-like. Its seeds are similar to pine nuts and edible, and harvested by local indigenous Mapuche. They are sometimes referred to as living fossils because similar species have been found in ancient prehistory back to the Jurassic period. All right, we're getting high now. We have reached Laguna Negra. Now that we've reached Laguna Negra, this is the point where we continue on higher. We're going to go up to the Mirador. Let's go. The view is going to be great. It is so stinking hot, but we're getting so high, we're getting up into the remnants of snow. A few more steps, and we've made it up to a little saddle on the ridge. We're getting close. The final few steps to the Mirador. We can't get any higher than this. Oh, look at this. Beauty. Wow. And we have made it. After about 3 hours, the Melodikine viewpoint, which means 4 volcanoes. Not sure if you can see it, but there's the 4th volcano way out just to the left of those trees. The ancients and indigenous Mapuche called this place El Canny, the vision that transforms. Since we're here, there's another little trail that circles around all the lagunas in the area. We might as well do that. We're here. Laguna El Risco. You know what? Another laguna. Laguna Hundida. Laguna Escondida. Are you laguna'd out yet? This is the final one. We've done the complete circuit. All kinds of baby monkey trees here. It's a monkey puzzle tree jungle up here. Well, we just gotta polish off the last 25 minutes to where the bus will pick us up on the highway. But I am tired and I am famished. Oh man, tonight we are gonna dine. You are not gonna want to miss this. This is going to be dinner, Sweller Van Dweller style. Stay tuned, baby. Let's go get it. Well, we made it back with half hour to spare before the bus. Look at this. Beside the office, they even have a little climbing wall. Hola!
Welcome to Salina Pucon.
Gracias. Warm welcome.
Dinner is served. Some of you might think the pasta to sauce ratio is a bit off, but it's not. It'll be okay. I don't like my pasta smothered in sauce. I like a little bit skinny. The important thing is that the pasta is cooked correctly. It's got to be al dente. It can't be all soft and puffy. Perfect. Next time on Sweller Van Dweller. It sounds like a goat in labor or something. I should crawl in and check it out. Good thing, because if it didn't, it would be game over, my friends. If you enjoyed that video, then you should watch this one next. And if you've seen that one, well then you should watch this one. And if you've watched them both, well then, you're one of my top subscribers. And I appreciate you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.